Section 1. A tale of two houses, wood and concrete. Look closely at two different homes. One sits quietly in a leafy green suburb, perhaps in North America. It is a house made of wood, with a gently sloping roof and a welcoming porch. Its walls are painted a soft color, and a small yard surrounds it. A place for children to play. A place for a garden to grow. Next to it, in our minds, stands another building, a tall, strong apartment block, possibly in a bustling European city, or a sun-drenched Middle Eastern metropolis. Its walls are thick, gray concrete, solid and imposing. Small balconies offer a slice of sky. Both structures serve the same purpose: shelter and safety. They are homes filled with everyday life, laughter and quiet moments. Yet they could not look or feel more different. The wooden house speaks of nature, tradition, and open space. The concrete block speaks of urban density, modernity, and collective living. Why is there such a stark contrast across the globe? Why choose the warmth and flexibility of wood in one place and the cool solidity of concrete in another? The answer is woven from nature, money, safety, and the long arc of history. Section 2. Gifts of the land, climate and local materials. First, we look to the land and the climate it endures. In places with long, cold winters and vast forests, wood is the logical choice. Scandinavia, Canada, and the northern United States turned trees into towns. For centuries, abundant timber shaped homes and craft. Wood is also a remarkable insulator, keeping homes warm and efficient. In hot, arid regions where trees are scarce, the Mediterranean, the Middle East, parts of Latin America, the earth offers stone, clay, and sand. Thick masonry walls keep daytime heat out and nights comfortable. Modern concrete, made from cement, limestone, and sand, became the successor. Its dense mass shifts heat slowly, stabilizing interiors. Before global shipping, builders relied on nearby materials, and that logic still holds. Moving heavy materials long distances is costly and carbon-intensive, so regions favor what they can produce locally: plants, mills, and quarries near demand. The land continues to give us the primary ingredients for our shelter. Yes, the land matters. Section 3. The price of a roof, cost and speed. Home building is a major investment, so cost always matters. Wood framing can be significantly faster than concrete. Using standardized lumber and simple tools, crews erect skeletons in days or weeks. Speed reduces labor hours and project cost. Concrete is slower and more methodical. Forms, rebar, mixing, pouring, and curing. It demands specialized equipment and time. But scale changes the math. Reinforced concrete excels for multi-story housing and large buildings. Where land is expensive, building up is logical. Suburbs favor quick, lower-cost wood. Lifetime cost includes maintenance. Well-built wood can last generations, but needs protection from moisture and pests. Concrete resists rot, fire, and pests with low upkeep. Yet major repairs can be complex and costly. The real calculation is not only price to build, but cost to stay safe and sound for decades. Section 4. Standing strong. Safety against nature's fury. A home's first job is safety. In earthquakes, material choice can be life or death. In Japan, California, Chile, codes are strict. Wood is lightweight and flexible, able to sway and absorb energy. Flexibility helps structures remain standing. Concrete is heavy and rigid. If poorly designed, it can fail catastrophically. Reinforcement changes that story. Steel adds tensile capacity and ductility. The key is not just material, but engineering and codes. In wildfire zones, concrete and non-combustibles are often preferred. Wood can be treated, but concrete offers higher inherent fire resistance. For extreme winds, detailing matters most: roof-to-wall and wall-to-foundation ties, timber shear walls and metal connectors. Concrete with precise reinforcement layouts. Designed for ductility. Controlled deformation without collapse. Safety comes down to design and detail. A house is more than structure. It is comfort and sanctuary. Insulation is the resistance to heat flow, a key ingredient of comfort. Wood cellular air pockets slow heat transfer. In winter, wood keeps heat in. In summer, it helps keep heat out. Concrete conducts heat readily, but offers thermal mass. Thick concrete absorbs heat by day and releases it at night. Modern concrete walls add insulation layers to balance performance. Insulating concrete forms deliver strength, airtightness, and high R values. Beyond physics, wood's grain, texture, and tone feel warm and natural. It softens spaces, even inside concrete buildings. Concrete conveys strength, permanence, and modernity. The feeling of home blends physical performance and visual appeal. Our homes are rooted in culture and tradition. People build the way that works, proven by time and place. In Japan, elegant timber frames, paper screens, and deep eaves suit humidity and quakes. These forms shape cultural identity. Across Europe, stone and masonry define towns and countryside. Craft traditions persist in tools and hands. The Industrial Revolution mass-produced steel and cement. Concrete reshaped cities. After war, concrete enabled rapid, affordable housing. Vast estates rose on city edges, symbols of recovery. Building waves leave lasting identities, from New England timber to Mediterranean stucco. Tradition is not just nostalgia. It actively shapes how and what we build today. As we look to the future, the materials conversation is changing. Climate change pushes construction to find solutions. Traditional cement is energy-intensive and emits significant CO2. We seek greener materials and smarter design. Engineered wood, like cross-laminated timber, bonds layers at right angles. Strong and light, with a far lower carbon footprint. Wood stores carbon for the life of the building. Tall wood buildings show a low-carbon path for dense cities. This requires careful, certified forest management. Concrete is evolving too, with lower emission mixes. Supplementary materials like fly ash and slag reduce cement content. Some mixes even embed captured CO2. The best solutions may be hybrids, each material where it excels. Smart design adds passive sun, green roofs, and on-site solar. The home of the future is comfortable, safe, and gentle on the planet. An exciting time. As we have seen, some homes are built with wood, others with concrete. It's a rich, complex story. There is no single right answer, no universally superior material. The choice responds to many factors. It begins with climate and local resources, shaped by cost and speed. It is guided by safety in the face of nature's power. Practicality mixes with culture and history. Material feel matters. Warmth, coolness, a sense of nature or modernity. Now, sustainability leads towards safer, greener, smarter homes. Look closely. Each street is a collection of solutions. Each structure is a testament to geography, history, science, and art. Our walls are not just wood or concrete. They are centuries of need, skill, and choice. Think about places you've lived, the homes you have known, the cool solidity of concrete, the natural warmth of wood, the open feel of a suburban house, the compact efficiency of a city apartment. Each has character, strengths, and a story. If you could choose, would you live in a wooden house or a concrete one, and why?